Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to kind of work through some of the problems on number 6 with you, or assignment number 6 with you. If I remember correctly, I believe Mr. Klein went through all of number 2 and all of number 8 together on the video that he posted. So I'm actually going to go through the others and just do the cross multiplication for you, at least set that up. So then you should be able to distribute if you need to do that, combine like terms, and solve for the variables. Okay, so number 1, we have 9 over 4 is equal to v minus 9 over 8. So we're going to cross multiply here, which means that we're going to do this times this, and this times this. Okay, and it doesn't matter what order you do it in. I'm going to go ahead and do the 9 times the 8 on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, I'm going to do the 4 times the v minus 9. Okay, so once you get to this step, you just have to go ahead and multiply these together, so you'll just get a numerical value there. And then here, you're going to distribute the 4. So you'll do 4 times v and 4 times negative 9. Okay, and then you'll have to do a little bit of rearranging to solve for the v, but we've done plenty of that this year, so you should be good with that. Okay, that was number 1. Number 3 is what we're moving to next. If I can get my screen to cooperate. Okay, so number 3, we have 8 over 7 is equal to 4 over 5n plus 2. So again, we're going to cross multiply, so we're going to do this bottom number by this top number, and this top number by this bottom number. Again, it does not matter which one you do on the left side and which one you do on the right side. But since we did this on the left-hand side last time, that's what I'm going to do here. So we're going to have 8 times, and then in parentheses we'll have 5n plus 2. And that's going to be equal to whatever this multiplication is. So 7 times 4. Okay. So like on the last one, you're going to distribute this 8 here and simplify, and then you'll do 7 times 4 over here, and then you'll just start rearranging the equation to solve for n. Okay? All right, make sure you can see all that too. I don't know how to move this so that it's all on the screen. Might have just made it worse. All right, so number 4 now. 4 is 5 over 4 is equal to 3x minus 9 all over 8. So again, we cross multiply. We do this top number by this bottom number by this top number. Okay, and then when we multiply those, we'll do 5 times 8 on the left-hand side, and then we'll do 4 times this whole thing on the right-hand side, so 3x minus 9. Okay. This side, you just have to do 5 times 8. This side, you have to distribute the 4. So 4 times 3x, and then 4 times negative 9. Okay, and then you'll just work to solve for x from there. Number 5. We have b minus 10 all over 2 is equal to b plus 8 all over 8. Okay, so this one's stepping up the difficulty level just a little bit. You should still be able to easily solve these once they're set up. So we're going to cross multiply this top by this bottom, and then we're going to multiply these, this bottom by this top. So if we multiply these, we're going to have 8 times b minus 10 equal to, and then when we multiply these, we get 2 times b plus 8. So what's different with this one than the last 4 that we did is that you're going to have to distribute on both sides here. You're going to do 8 times b and 8 times negative 10 on the left-hand side, and then you'll do 2 times b and 2 times 8 on the right-hand side. And then you'll just need to get all of your constants on one side and all of your linear terms on the other side and solve for b from there. Okay. All right, 2 more here to set up. We have 3 over 8 equal to r plus 10 all over r minus 1. So we'll cross multiply this top number by this bottom value and this bottom value by this top value. So this one's going to be similar to the last one. We're going to have distributing on both sides. Okay, so we have 3 and then r minus 1 in parentheses, and then here we'll have 8 and r plus 10 in parentheses. Okay, so you'll distribute over here 3 times r, 3 times negative 1, 8 times r, and 8 times 10. Okay. And finally, number 7 is very, very similar to number 6, actually. They just kind of switched the ratios that are given to us. So the ones with the variables are on the left-hand side, which really doesn't change anything at all, just the way that it looks. 10 over 6. Okay. So we are still going to do the top of this fraction by the bottom of this one, and the bottom of this fraction times the top of this one. Okay. So we're doing 2x minus 3 times 6. I'm going to write the 6 first, just because I think that makes it easier for distributing. So 6 times 2x minus 3 is equal to, and then x minus 6 times 10. Again, I'm going to write the 10 first, just so that we remember that we have to distribute. Okay, so you'll do 6 times 2x, 6 times negative 3, and then 10 times x, and 10 times negative 6. And then you will just start getting all the constants on one side and all the linear terms on the other. Okay. If you still get stuck while working on this, and you would like kind of a, I can send you a picture of the worksheet with these first steps already written out for each of them. If that helps you, just already having it there, and then you just have to go from there, please let me know, and I will gladly send you a picture of that. I just want to make these types of problems as easy as possible for you. As always, if you get stuck, please send me a message or an email and let me know. If you haven't already, you can sign up for Remind, and we can kind of keep in touch that way as well. I hope you're doing well, and hopefully I'll hear from you soon. Bye.